Hi guys, good afternoon. Today is 19th January 2020. I am Suhail Khalik Pinjari. Today I discuss on the topic data types in Java programming language. So let's start. What is data types? Data type is a definition of data type. It is a specify different values and sizes that can be stored in the variable. Data type is a very important in the Java programming language. Without data types, we do not create any program except print text message on the output screen. Data type is mainly divided into two parts. First one is primary data types or primitive data types. Second one is user defined data type or non-primitive data types. Let's see primitive data type. What is primitive data type? Primitive data types is further classified into two types. First one is numeric data type, second one is non-numeric data type. Let's see numeric data type. Numeric data type further classified into two types. First one is integer data type, second one is decimal data type. Let's see integer data type. Integer data type is divided into four types. First one is byte, second one is short, third one is integer, third one is int, and fourth one is long. Those four are used to store integric values, but those four are different ranges. Like byte take 1 byte to store value. Second one is short. Short take 2 byte to store a value. Third one is int. Int take 4 byte to store a value. Fourth one is long. Long take 8 byte to store a value. Now see decimal data type. Decimal data type is further divided into two types. First one is float and second one is double. In float and double both are used for store decimal values. But float is used for 1 precision decimal value and double is used for 2 precision decimal values. What is 1 precision and 2 precision decimal values? Then 1 precision decimal value is except 6 or 7 digits after decimal point, and 2 precision decimal value, single precision and double precision. Double precision decimal value is except 14 or 15 point, 14 or 15 digits after decimal point. Float take 2 byte, float take 4 byte to store a value, and double take 8 byte to store a value. Now see non-numeric data type. In non-numeric data type further divided into two types. First one is char and second one is boolean. First one is char is used for store a character and it take 2 byte for store a character, for store a value. And second one is boolean. Boolean used for true or false statement. It take 1 bit to store a value. Now let's see non-primitive data types. Non-primitive data types are classified into four types. First one is class, second one is array, third one is string, and fourth one is interface. Class is a group of variables. Array is a group of variables. String is a group of characters, and class is a group of variables. Okay, thank you.